Hello, this is Ronnie from Awesome Terrariums. We'll be making an upside down terrarium in a food jar. This is what it will look like when done. To make this terrarium, we'll need the following items: some moisture-loving plants like Fittonia, moss, soil, dried sphagnum moss, gravel, stones, a used food jar, tweezer, brush and soup spoon, scissors, clear plastic wrap, some string, a shallow bowl, and some water for washing and soaking. We start by selecting a few stalks of Fittonias. Around 3 to 4 stalks should do. Soak and squeeze some dried sphagnum moss. Lay it out flat and place some soil on top. Arrange the Fittonias on the soil and wet it with a few spoons of water. This makes the soil easier to shape. Push the sphagnum in and pack it over the soil into a ball. Next, secure the ball with string. We have just made a small moss ball, or kokidama, which will hold the Fittonias in place. Place the jar lid in a shallow bowl, with inside part facing up. Cover the lid and bowl with clear plastic wrap. Fill the bowl with gravel to about 3 cm deep. Place the Fittonia moss ball in the center right above the jar lid. Arrange moss around the Fittonias. Mosses that are fluffy and messy work best for this design because we need them to compress and expand later. Apart from plants, you can also include stones as hardscape elements. Check to see if the plant arrangement fits inside the jar. It should be slightly wider than the jar opening, so the moss can compress and fit snugly inside. Give the plants one last watering before they enter the jar. Now it's time for the jar to come on. Move it down slowly over the plants. Be patient and gentle so the arrangement remains intact. Nudge the moss bit by bit all around the jar so they fit inside. Slowly push and twist the jar downwards through the gravel until it is resting on the lid below. Fold the plastic wrap up and reach for the lid below, holding it securely against the jar. Move the shallow bowl away and clear out the excess gravel. especially around the lid. Twist the lid until it can firmly shut. This may take some fidgeting. Now cut away the remaining plastic wrap. Almost there. And we're done. To keep plants happy, place the terrarium in a bright, cool location. They should receive 100-foot candles of sunlight or white artificial light for 10 hours daily. Daytime temperatures should range between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. A closed jar retains water and may only need watering every few weeks. Use a bottom watering method by loosening the lid and dipping the jar at a slight angle into a bowl of water. This should allow air to escape while water enters the jar from the bottom. This water should flow up naturally to the plants through capillary action. Remember to twist and secure the lid again after watering. Bonus tips: reuse old food jars and turn them into terrariums. Using larger sized gravel makes it easier to fasten the lid. Don't over-tighten the lid. That may deprive the jar of oxygen. Leave it secure but not too tight. I hope you'll try making your own upside-down jar. I'm excited to see what you come up with. If you enjoyed this tutorial and would like to see more, please like, follow and subscribe. Look for me on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. Until next time, keep planting.